would you like to greet our audience once again?
Good evening. I am Dr. Glendon Marsanto from the National Kidney and Transplant Institute.
My name is Bina Liwanag, an emergency nurse.
Okay. So, Betty, you're okay now. You have an emergency nurse. Anytime you drop dead, she's trained to do your mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. Do you do CPR?
Only CPR, but no mouth-to-mouth.
Ayun. Paano ba CPR? CPR, di ba? Tanong natin kay Gwen. Are you permitted to do CPR?
Sir, don't do CPR, sir. Catheter insertion.
CPR ni Gwen is catheter, proper reinsertion. But Vina, have you ever experienced doing CPR to an actual patient in the emergency room?
Yes, most of the time.
Most of the time. So, do they make it? Ang sama naman ng tanong mo, do they make it? Hindi, kasi sa make it naman sa CPR. Oo nga pala. Kaya,
Well, most of them make it.
so, next time you need somebody to do CPR, Vina is the expert, okay? So, may we have the bowl so that the judge can prepare or throw the question to the contestants.
Sexy ni Glenn, grabe.
Stomakin yan.
Hindi ko kinaya.
Stomakin na yan.
Stomakin na yan. Stomakin na yan.
Stomakin pa.
Johan Santos, will you please throw your question? Johan?
Mamaya ka na huminga.
Hello, good evening. Since hindi ko ready sa question and answer, dahil kami yung gumawa ng question and answer ngayon, ang question ko sa inyo, since doctors kayo and nurse, kung meron kang isang oras para mabuhay, anong gagawin mo?
Yun.
That was a nice question, sir. If I were to live in my last hour, I would probably continue what I am doing. Because I'm not afraid. Kasi wala naman akong ginagawang masama eh.
Sir, honest talaga dapat yun, ha? Honest talaga, ha?
Yes, sir. I am ready.
Masaya ka sa akin mamaya.
Babalik pa yun sa duty.
Sige lang, hindi mo ginagawa Betty.
If I only have 1 hour left, of course, I would spend it with my patient.
Betty, would you like to be the patient of the last hour? Of course.
Hindi, kasi po sa NCTI, lalo na sa ER, yung supervisor namin, talagang ini-implement niya na kailangan, mga pasyente namin, kailangan i-treat namin sila as one of our family members para parang ma-experience din namin kung nararamdaman nila. So, why not kung gusto mo makasama yung isa sa mga pasyente mo kung meron ka na lang isang oras para mabuhay, di ba?
Pretty good answer, Benji. Yes, agree, ganda. So, wala pa lang preventive CPR? Walang ganun.
Magandang
Yung 1 hour bago, kumbaga sa chemotherapy, neo-adjuvant, neo-CPR, bago ka mamatay na CPR ka na muna. Walang ganun. Pwede. Palagi ko magandang yun, Bina? Pwede. Pangit tignan. Parang may ginagawa kayong kalokohan. Hindi pwede si Gwen doon. Kasi si Gwen is ready to die.